Hi, I'm Charlotte, an AI-powered demo presenter. Welcome to the world of Fogwing Asset Plus, a smart CMMS platform for industrial asset maintenance. In this demo session, I will walk you through how to add list of companies' non-working days as holidays into the calendar on the Asset Plus CMMS platform. This enables the effective planning of maintenance activities, ensuring that work order schedules are adjusted to minimize disruptions caused by holidays. When creating work order schedule, system will not allow to assign any holidays as a target date. Also, auto-scheduling of preventive maintenance order will adjust the target date according to holidays declaration. It makes your holidays enjoyable. To begin, log into your Fogwing Asset Plus account. Once logged in, click on the Settings menu item on the menu to navigate to the Settings page on your Fogwing Asset Plus account. Then, click on the Holidays card located in the organization setting. This is where you can add and manage non-working days or holidays. Click the Add Holiday button. This will open a form where you can input details about the non-working days. Choose a plant for which you wish to assign an holiday. Select the date of the holiday from the calendar. Choose the holiday duration. It can be a partial day or an entire day. If you choose a partial day, select the shifts for which you wish to declare holiday. If you choose entire day, the whole day is considered as the non-working day. Mention the holiday name. Review the information provided, and click the Submit button to confirm. A new holiday has now been added to the plant's calendar. Holiday calendar ensures no maintenance tasks are scheduled when your facility or plant is closed. It guarantees optimal planning and minimizes any disruptions to your operations. Thank you for watching this Fogwing Asset Plus demo video on how to add holidays to the calendar. We are excited to help you with your asset maintenance journey. You can stay connected to maximize your experience with our product. We hope this demo is helpful to you. For even more efficient maintenance management, download and use our mobile app. We are now available on the App Store and Google Play Store. Give it a try. Your assets will thank you. Until next time, take care and happy maintenance.